So in Laos and in most places in Southeast Asia, this is kind of what you can expect when it comes to toilets. So as you can see here, there's not a normal flushing toilet like in most countries like the United States. It's more of a sit-down toilet, and there is no flush here. So basically you're going to take this bucket of water here, and then you're going to pour it in here after you're done, and that's going to be your flush. And as you can see, there's not toilet paper. There was some paper, but obviously if you're going to need to use it the other way, then you're going to have to clean yourself. So you can kind of understand how that works. And so that's how typically toilets are set up here in Laos and in most places in Southeast Asia. Now, of course, they do have more westernized toilets, but in most places, like here in this restaurant, this is what you can expect. So here's something that might be different for some people, and those are the restrooms. And so most of the times you're at a restaurant or rest stop, you'll have something like this. There is no flush, so you can use that to pour water in. And then for your underside, you can use this, so you don't see any toilet paper in there. That typically, if you need toilet paper, you need to bring your own. So yeah, so if you're in Laos or most Southeast Asian countries, it's going to be something similar to this.